Giraffe facts.
Giraffes are one of the landmarks of Africa.
They are divided in 9 subspecies according to the area of Africa where they could be found and by the coloration of their bodies.
Giraffes are tallest mammals on Earth and they live in savannas, Sahel and open woodland areas.
Interesting giraffe facts.
Giraffe tongue is so long that they can lick every part of their face, including their ears.
Giraffe sleeps less than 2 hours per day.
Favorite food of giraffes is acacia.
They also like leaves of mimosa and apricots. Animals can eat thorny plants without hurting themselves because inner surface of their mouth is hard.
Giraffe don't drink too much water and can survive without water longer than a camel.
When they drink water, they need to spread their feet to reach the surface of the water because their neck is shorter than their front limbs. This posture is dangerous because giraffe loses its stability, can't see sneaking predators and can't achieve speed necessary to run away from the danger.
Worst enemies of giraffes are lions and crocodiles. Their heart is 2 feet long and weigh up to 20 pounds.
This large and strong heart pumps 75 liters of blood every minute.
Giraffes have one of the highest blood pressures in the animal kingdom because of their height and size of heart.
Every giraffe has specific distribution of spots. Researchers can identify various giraffes by observing their individual spot patterns.
Giraffe has 7 vertebrae in their neck just like humans, but they are much bigger in giraffes. One vertebra has 5 inches. Young giraffe begins its life by falling to the ground from a height of 6 feet.
Most giraffes have 2 to 4 horns on their forehead.
Giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour on a short distance.
Giraffes live 10 to 15 years in the wild and around 25 years in captivity.